Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin. So today I have my Boxycharm add-ons from the Drop Shop. I don't know if I'm ever going to get used to calling it that, but I have some goodies in here that I wanted to share with you. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. They do have 3 different tiers. This is their add-on sale. You have to be a member to have access to it, I do believe. So let's go ahead and see what kind of goodies I got inside. First thing I'm pulling out is Ethology Firming Treatment Mask. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. First thing I got here is this Ethology Firming Mask Treatment. So actually I have one of their masks already and I really enjoyed it. I forget if it's like the detoxifying mask or which one it is, but they peel off. I made sure I read the instructions before I got it. It's a gently peel off mask from the edges. So this is a peel off mask. I think they're super fun and easy cleanup. You don't have to like clay masks. I don't really enjoy as much just because it's a lot to get it off of your skin. But let's see what the packaging looks like. So this is how much you get, which is a pretty decent sized portion. I do believe this is $12 in the sale. But it's not too bad. It's a really good brand. I really enjoy their masks, so there's that one. And next up I got from Kind Hand Serum, Black Blossom Hand Serum. And I was really interested in this product just because I think it's good to have a serum for everything, like a body serum, a face serum, a lip serum, and a hand serum now because I don't own one. So I thought that was kind of neat. And it says it's Royal Skin Barrier from Black Tulips. So I wonder if it smells like florally. Okay, cute. It comes like in a little metal container here. Let's see what this smells like. Okay, so this is the consistency of it, and to me it almost looks more like a cream than a serum. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, it does smell kind of florally, kind of sweet too. It smells really good. I like it. I guess it kind of does feel like a serum-like texture once you put it on, but it more reminds me of like a cream than a serum. But for only $6, can't go wrong. Next up is a pretty decent sized palette here. This is a highlighter palette from Morphe or Morphe, however you say it. I say Morphe, some people say Morphe. And this is what the box looks like. And then, wow, they definitely made sure that it gets to you okay. I like the simple black packaging that it has. Okay, cool. They're pretty decent pan sizes. Really pretty colors in here. I'm wondering if they are going to show. Oh, yes. So I'm getting a quick swatch of these so you guys can kind of get an idea of what these look like. And I just did a few of them on my hand and I think they look pretty good. They look like nice highlighters. I like there's different tones in here for everyone, and also you can blend them together to make a really pretty highlight as well. So that's cool. I'm excited to try this. Next up, I couldn't resist. I love eyebrow products. It's like my thing, but I haven't tried the Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil yet, so I went ahead and grabbed it because they had it in my shade medium brown. This is the box that it comes in. It looks like her regular style packaging like it does on the other Fenty products that I've gotten. Okay, and oh yes, this like the Item Beauty one. It has like a little cute little brush on the end. I like that. It's something a little bit unique, a little bit different. It is a circular shaped one, which normally I'm more of a fan of like triangular shaped. But it is really tiny, so I'm just curious to see how this will work. It's definitely buildable, which is good because I don't always like to go, sometimes I make mistakes and always don't want to go in with a really heavy hand on that. Let's see what else I got inside here. I was really wanting to try this, and it was a little outrageous even for paying $18 for 4 eyeshadows. Seems a little bit crazy to me. But this palette is actually valued at $50, and I went on their website and I was interested in buying it, but there's no way I'm going to pay $50 for 4 eyeshadows. So I definitely picked it up. I'm just wondering what's so fabulous about it that it's $50 for 4 eyeshadows. I hope it's like this an amazing formula and it works really good, but that's definitely something, for those of you who don't know, I do reviews on this channel. So I will be trying this stuff out and letting you guys know next week. I'm doing reviews on the stuff I've been using the following week. So like the stuff I'm using right now will be reviewed on Monday or Tuesday. So this will be on the following week. So if you're interested in hearing about it, oh my goodness, absolutely love the packaging here. It's almost like a mirror. Super cute. Okay, and they look like foil shadows to me. Let's get some swatches of this. I will be right back with some swatches. Okay, I'm back with some swatches for you. They're not super pigmented. I actually went in twice to get these colors. The way that they are on my arm, not super impressed for spending $18 for 4 eyeshadows. I mean, I haven't tried it yet, but they're not super pigmented. It did take me, they are buildable though, so perhaps it might be good. I don't know. I really like the packaging. It comes with its own little pouch and everything. So I will let everyone know how it actually works on the eyes versus just doing swatches of it. Maybe it's different when you put your finger in the pan. Sometimes the shadows are like that. And then next up I have from Dominique Cosmetics. I actually got a lipstick of hers in another pop-up sale, but I really loved the formula. I love the lipstick, and when I seen they had one in a different shade that I do not own, you know I had to buy it. This is in the shade Sweet Nectar. And let's just see what this baby looks like in person. Her packaging is always really nice. So see, it has the DC logo on there, and it's just really elegant looking. It's more like a nude color for sure. Okay, I just went ahead and put some on because I just have like a gloss on today. It is a different color for me. I don't normally wear this nude of lips, but I'm definitely willing to give it a try. And see, it doesn't look too bad with my look that I have today. So it's okay to go outside of your comfort zone sometimes. And then of course, I didn't choose, this was a choice item for next month, but because I really wanted the Huda palette, I don't own it. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm Highlighter. And the packaging even has sparkles on it. It intrigues me. I love it. There's sparkles all over my hands right now, but there could be worse things on you than sparkles, that's for sure. Okay, it's a 3D sparkle for face and for your body. So if you want to do like a little bit on your collarbones right there to kind of make them pop a little bit, you could do that as well. I love the packaging. It does look like diamonds on the outside packaging. It's just so sparkly and so fun. I absolutely love that. And then I can't wait to see what this highlighter looks like. For those of you who chose this, it's a little bit of a heads up so you can see. Look at that highlighter. So pretty. I love the way it feels also. So soft. And right there is the highlighter. Wow. That is pretty. I don't know why I smelled it. Sometimes makeup smells like stuff, and I guess I just wanted to. This is in How Many Carats Diamond Balm shade. So happy that I could get my hands on that. Let's see what other goodies I got in here. Man, they put a lot of things in this little box, that's for sure. And then I did get a backup of this. This is a Wishful Clean Genie Cleaning Butter. And I actually have one of these in my bathroom, but I just love it so much. It's so wonderful. I just had to get another one. It's like, it feels like it's not really going to clean your face when you goes on because it feels like butter, like lotion on your skin. But then when you rinse your face off, it feels so clean, so refreshed. Has a nice, soft, clean smell to it. This is what the packaging looks like here. And inside is like, it's an actual like balm. But always good to have. I like to have backups of things that I really enjoy. And definitely if you can get it on sale, because it's not a cheap product whatsoever. Huda is the one who makes Wishful. I know most people know that, but there are some people who don't know that. And then I got this Pearly Coconut Oil and Cranberry Silky Body Butter. It says it smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. So I like Pearly Skincare. I don't own any like body lotions or anything from them. Can't open this. Because I like their skincare so much, I thought it'd be like a really good idea to try the body lotion. I seen it was like $6, so definitely wanted to pick it up and give it a try. But I'm wondering, coconut oil and cranberry, how this is going to smell. We'll just get the protective seal off here and see. Man, that lid is really like heavy duty. Oh, I love that. It's so lightweight. It doesn't feel oily or anything. Even though it has coconut oil in it. I'm not 100% that I like the smell. It's just me being perfectly honest. But I'm definitely going to use it up. It feels very nourishing for your skin. So something I would probably put on after a shower, something like that. And then last but not least, I did get another one of these Ethology's masks because I really like them. If you haven't tried them before, I recommend trying them, especially if you like peel-off masks. They're really fun. This one, it lifts, illuminates, and rejuvenates, and it's gold. I'm wondering if the inside of it is gold too. That's something I'm going to have to let you know, because I like to use up like something before I open a new one. So I already have an Ethology mask currently open. So once I'm done with that one, then I'll open up another one and we'll see from there. Just so nothing expires or goes bad that way. But the packaging is gold, so I'm wondering if inside is gold as well. How fun would that be to have a gold face mask? So that's everything that I had in my add-ons from the drop shop. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.